What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jace, back at it again with another video. I know I've kind of been doing a lot of vlogs, but today is actually going to be a hair tutorial video. And this video I saw going viral on TikTok, so I wanted to try it myself. So this hairstyle is how to create beach waves using not using a curling iron. So I wanted to try this out on my type of hair and see if it worked. The girl that tried it on TikTok, she has straight hair and her results came out so nice. She has beautiful beach waves. So I wanted to go ahead and try it myself and see if it works on my type of hair. So if you guys want to see how it turns out, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and washed my hair last night, and this is how my hair looks the next day. I did comb it out after I got out of the shower, and I added some hair serum in it and leave-in conditioner. Those are the only two products I used because I did not want to put in any curly hair products that would enhance my curl pattern, because I am trying to create a different curl pattern. Alright, so now that my hair is parted down the middle, I'm going to go ahead and use a bathrobe belt. And you guys can use anything. You guys can use a scarf, a bathrobe belt, anything that is pretty much long like this that you can use to wrap your hair around would work perfectly fine. So what she did is she went ahead and placed this on top of her head, and then one side she went ahead and just put it in a ponytail so it'll stay in place. Meanwhile, she went ahead and worked on the other side. So the first thing I'm going to do is just grab a piece of my hair and wrap it around the robe, the belt of the robe, and loop it around, and then grab a piece of my hair, loop it around the robe belt, go all the way around again, grab a piece of my hair, combine it with my hair, and wrap it around the belt. And again, so that's the motion that we're going to be doing to create these curls. So you're not adding hair to the belt, you're just adding it to your hair and twisting it around the belt. That's the pattern. It's really simple to do, you guys. I'm really hoping this works. Scrub the rest of my hair and loop it around. And just twist it all the way around. And just loop it around until I run out of hair. And then she created like a bun, like a little space bun on the side. Looped it around. And just held it together with a scrunchie. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Alright, separate the robe, separate the belt from my hair, grab a piece of my hair, loop it around the belt, come around, grab a piece of my hair, loop it around the belt again, grab another piece of my hair, loop it around again, another piece. You just want to make sure that you're not adding it to the belt. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it on for maybe 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and see how it looks. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a few hours. Alright, guys, so it's been about 4 hours since I've had my hair like this, and I think that's more than enough time. I do not want to sleep with this on, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out, and hopefully it created the beach waves. Fingers crossed that it did. Alright, guys, so it looks like it did create some type of beach wave. It probably would have had more of a curl towards the back if I left it overnight, but overall it looks pretty good. Like I really like how it looks right here. All right, let's go ahead and do the other side. Guys, and there you have it. So this is how my hair looks after leaving it in for 4 hours. This side has more looser beach waves, and then this side they're like more tighter curls. So it did come out pretty good. I just think next time that I'll do it, I'll leave it in for longer, maybe like 6 hours, or if I do it later in the day, I would just leave it overnight and sleep with it to see if it'll create more of the beach waves, because like on the back it's not as tight as in the front, so it kind of loses the curl pattern. But honestly, you guys, I'm not mad at it. I like it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and fluff it out and give it more volume, and then I'll be right back to show you how it looks once it's all fluffed out. Alright guys, so I went and fluffed out my hair, and I like it so much better now that I have some volume to my hair. So you guys can tell that it definitely has more of that beach wave curl going on, not as tight as my natural curls. So overall, I give it a thumbs up. I like it. I will try to keep it in longer next time. If I try this again, I'll probably keep it on for like 6 hours, or I might even keep it on overnight and see if it'll create more tighter beach wave curls, and I can just loosen them up when I pick at it. But overall, I like it, so I give it a thumbs up. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below, or you guys already know, mylittlefacecom will pop up right there. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys don't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.